levels we should be watching crude very closely is that a strong close above 35.75 is needed for a bull rally to continue further, right? Immediate resistance it will be somewhere around $36, so you just be very cautious about that level 36 because it's a whole number. So we need a strong volume to break that price and sustain high. What is the key indication for that is that it has to break and close 35.75 in the first thing, because that was the recent high somewhere around yesterday closing also is got rejected from there, and Friday high it was there somewhere around 35.75, and Monday it tried to break, then you can see market remains sideways, then it can't able to manage to break the high which has made, so it just fell down, and the support was mentioned somewhere around the 34.50 and 34 levels. I said clearly that if 34 level gets closed, then you can try to be a seller, but as you can see it reversed from 34.20 itself. So for being a buyer, strong close above 35.75 is needed, and if that sustains then it has to break 636, only then we can expect even a good rally above that. Till then what you can do is that go for a buy on dip strategy. Say for example market fell, and if it gives any good bull confirmation, then you can enter with the low of the candle as stop loss. For what are the levels you should be watching out on lower levels is that, see, this is the new level which is created just from recently. I will mark that if possible. This is the recent level which has been formed, mm, around $35 level. Why? Because is that it took support here, went up, it took support here, and it just went up, and then even it got rejected at third time in this candle, yeah, the doji, and it went up, then finally it broke off, then it retested, then it came down, then again it broke off, and see, and the 2330 it again took support and then went up. So this will act as a temporary support 35. Once it breaks and it closes, then we can see 34.50 as usual, 34.20, the same levels which I mentioned for 2 to 3 weeks. The same level is been acting as support and resistance. Only the new level formed is that somewhere around $35 level, that was a new one. 33 some 33.80, $33, and 32.20, finally 31.20. So these are the levels you should be watching very carefully. So be very careful while trading in the short position, because you're going against the trend. Try to book profits or keep trailing stop loss, so can, even if market failed according to you, then you can book bulk. And if you have just have to do scalping, I strongly advise you to do against that, because it's a trending market. Once you be in a trend, you will earn much more. Don't try to scalp for few points and lose more. If you are quick, if you have quick hands and quick executions, then you can just go for a quick scalp. If you're not having anything, don't just try anything, because market will be volatile. And further I want to add that OPEC meeting has been scheduled this week, but don't know exactly when is that. All are expecting still greater production cuts. If that news has been confirmed by OPEC members officially, then you can see rally till $40 on a weekly basis, because production cuts will simultaneously decreases the supply. If supply gets decreased, then demand will get settled. Actually demand won't get increased, but if supply gets reduced, then automatically the difference between the supply and demand will get increased. So that is the cause for that, and we can expect a higher range if a clear breakthrough happens. Look out for the levels on upper level after breaking 36, just to be focused on the round number somewhere around 37, 38, and 40. many rejections will be coming around that levels around the round whole numbers 36, 37, 38. You can see some more kind of rejections in these levels, or somewhere below, maybe. If can approximately, if I have to say, so this is the 36 number. As you can see on Monday, see it tried to go above that but fell from 35, 85. So sometimes it will cross 36, it will go near to 36.20 or 36.80, then again it will come down. So we can't able to tell whether it's gonna break or it will start to fall below. So just be cautious around that whole number range, it will help you. And that's it for today. Look out for the range today will be the same as I think yesterday also said the same level, or maybe around 36 to 34 is the range you have to play. Once it breaks any of them, then a strong rally will continue from there. Follow through breakout is what I'm expecting. Let's see how it goes on. Thank you.